super quick video on the Infiniti M35 with a swirl pot install from GK. I just bought the kit for the 350Z and it all works fine on this car. He put the big adapter on the bottom radiator hose on the driver's side, and that line comes up. I ran it in the front of the motor right here, and that goes to the bottom of the swirl pot, the bottom of it. You can't really see it, but it's down there. And then the small adapter goes right here on the heater core hose, and that comes right up to the side. And then we got this line comes down here to the original radiator cap location, and GK gives you a radiator cap here that does not function. It's just a sealer. It doesn't let any fluid out. And your original radiator cap comes up there, and then you run a hose from here to the expansion tank or the coolant reservoir. And that's it. And oh, I mounted the swirl pot up here. I moved this solenoid and I rounded the hole out for it so it'll fit here. I think it used to be right there. And then I mounted them both on this one little 10mm bolt, and it's pretty fucking solid, so I think it'll be good. But yeah, that's it. Just buy the 350Z kit.